1961 narrow gauge. Come in from Cranberry Portage for repair. Heater, rad. Looks like you might need some sprocket work done here too. We're going to let her warm up. And then we're going to do a walk around here with the customer. He's going to maybe take it for a test run to see how much it runs or how well it runs. Rebuilt 6-cylinder Ford, 300 Ford. Automatic transmission. Warmed it up for about 15 minutes here. Sounding a lot better. And he's just going to unload it off the trailer now. It's a nice old Butte, 1961 narrow gauge. I think this is the last year for the narrow gauges. Is it a beast to turn?
Well, there's no power steering on this one.
Okay. That's it. She's parked. I think she's about 3 or 4 spots before it can get in the line.